safely and efficiently draw a compound bow. It is important to practice range safety, prevent injuries, and set up your shot in the most efficient way possible. Before an archer draws, he will set his hand in the bow and hook his release onto the string. And then he will bring his arms up so his arrow is pointing directly at the target where it will stay for the duration of the shot. He will then draw his bow back using the strongest muscles in his shoulder and his back to come to full draw. A compound bow has a mechanical stop that is set for the archer's draw line. When he comes to the full draw, he will then come up into anchor at the right spot. He will then look through his peep at the sight to the target and shoot it. This is how to draw a compound bow.